When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day.
Welcome back to my channel, everybody. My name is Haley Cairo, and today I will be sharing with you how to make your bedroom cozy for this holiday season and prepare your space for your guests. I've teamed up with Charmin to bring my top tips on how to make your guests feel right at home this season, so let's get started. I would love it if you subscribed and followed along on my channel and social media so we can continue the conversation over there. But first things first, we need to switch out my spring and summer decor and add in some festive greenery. I love using twinkly lights, pine cones, holly, anything to kind of make it feel extra Christmassy is what I am all about. I hang garland on my mirrors and I cover up some of my more summery looking decor. Like you can see the wreath hanging on top of the basket lid just to make it more festive. The first thing you want to do is make your guests feel welcome. So I always put together a little gift basket with a personalized coffee mug. That way they don't feel like they have to go searching around your house. They have their own, and I put in some little treats for them as well. You always want to make sure that you are making it easy for them to get accustomed to your home. So I provide the Wi-Fi password. I also will always put in some extra treats and a little takeaway gift like a candle. If you guys don't want to actually have them burning scents in your home, I recommend using an aromatherapy spray. That way it's safe, natural, and smells festive. You definitely don't want your guests to feel like they have to go searching around your house for basic necessities. So I always provide the towels right on the bed, and I will put some in the bathroom as well. And then to just give it like a festive touch, I put a ribbon around it. It's the little things. Maybe it seems over the top, but I think that they really will appreciate the extra effort that you put into it. I know that when I stay at a guest's home, I always feel a little funny trying to find things, or I don't want to be asking them where things are all the time. So you want to take the guessing game out of that for the guests and provide anything that you think they might need while they are staying at your house. I like to put some extra blankets, sheets, pillowcases in little baskets, and then I'll also have like phone chargers and things just kind of hidden in there, just in case they may have forgotten them. And then I put some Christmas books on the nightstand for them, and it just kind of adds a little extra something to the bedroom. There's nothing worse than running out of toilet paper, especially when you're not in your own home. So this year I teamed up with Charmin to share the Essential Strong toilet paper. This is what we use in our house, and every bathroom is fully stocked, ready to go for guests this holiday. The Essential Strong is a great value because it's long lasting and it's at an affordable price. So if you're going to be having a lot of guests this holiday season, it is the perfect thing to stock up in your bathrooms. To make it a little bit more festive, I made a toilet paper tree because it is in plain sight. The guests don't feel like they have to go searching around your linen closets. It's right there for them, and we stock every bathroom, the powder rooms, so that way everyone is taken care of. Which is perfect for this holiday party season because you don't have to use as much with the mega rolls. You get more goes per roll and you don't have to replace them as often. While this may seem a bit over the top, I'd rather be providing everything just in case, and I go the extra mile in the bathroom as well. So extra toothbrushes, toothpaste, and these Charmin flushable wipes are perfect for my family members who have babes because they are a cleaner clean than just the dry toilet paper themselves, and they're portable so they can use them on the go. The resealable flip top makes it so easy to carry around, and the wipes don't dry out. They leave you feeling super clean and your skin soft. I do have a closet in that bathroom where I can put the backups just in case, but again, I like everything to be visual so that that way it's at their fingertips. I will also put in some cotton pads so that way they can remove makeup and make it kind of have like that hotel feel. So I will restock the towels in the bathroom as well and add some fresh bars of soap. Everything is just super convenient, and I think that the guests really like the special attention. I hope you guys liked seeing how I prepare for guests and make my space nice and cozy for the holiday season. I would love to have you guys join me in this community by subscribing and following along on social. And until the next video, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon.